Struggling to rank on Google? This guide simplifies SEO for you. Let's master the essentials without the technical jargon. Learn the foundational concepts of SEO. Understanding the basics sets the stage for your success in optimizing your website. Discover how search engines rank your content. Understanding algorithms is key to improving your visibility online. Craft a strategic SEO plan that aligns with your goals. This forms the roadmap to improving your search rankings. Explore essential tools that can help you gain traction in your SEO efforts. These tools are invaluable for any SEO beginner. Conduct a website audit to identify areas for improvement. Understanding your website's performance is crucial for SEO success. Learn about geographical SEO and how local optimization can enhance your online visibility. Understand the 3 pillars of SEO that support your overall strategy: on-page, technical, and off-page SEO. Master keyword research to improve your on-page SEO. Keywords are the foundation of your SEO strategy. Implement effective SEO content strategies to enhance your website's SEO performance and user engagement. Organize multi-page websites for optimal SEO results. Proper structure helps search engines and users navigate. Learn technical SEO basics, including how to index your website properly for better visibility in search results. Implement schema markup to help search engines better understand your content and enhance search results. Optimize your website's performance, ensuring quick loading times and mobile friendliness for improved user experience. Build quality backlinks to boost your site's authority and improve its ranking in search results. Leverage social media to enhance your SEO efforts and online presence effectively.